I'm back. I hope you guys are back with me. So at this point, you've kind of finished the first main part of this course, and we've gone over things to help you increase your lifespan in the industry, and we've gone over my tools of choice. In this next section, I really wanted to address a topic that I hear a lot of people dispute. Really, I just kind of want to share my opinion on the matter and how I view it. I'm sure everybody has a different opinion. I'm sure all of you guys have a different opinion. I'm sure some of you guys agree with me. If you guys agree, feel free to share that with me. If you disagree, also feel free to share that with me. Explain why. Maybe you can change my mind. So the topic is going to be, can a Cosmo be a barber? So first thing I want to talk about is going to be difference in tools. And we're going to go over that first because it's something that we talked about at the beginning of this course. You saw my starting lineup consisted of all clippers, pretty much. Clippers and guards are 90% of what I use on a daily basis. You saw my 3 shears. As to where a cosmetologist or a hairdresser is going to have a bag full of hot tools, curling rods, curling irons, all of those sorts of things. They may have one clipper on hand, maybe a liner if they decided to pick one up. They're for sure going to have at least 3 or 4 sets of shears, if not more. Cosmos use shears for everything. They don't use clippers like we do. They're also able to do makeup, nails, all sorts of stuff like that. Another thing I'd like to go over is going to be the shape of haircuts we are trained to do leaving our education. So as a barber, we are trained to keep our haircuts in this shape, or up and then out, and kind of do an outward round, allowing to add bulk in areas that need it and things like that. As to where a cosmetologist leaving cosmetology school, any men's hair training that she would have been given is going to train that cosmetologist to cut the hair up and inward. And by doing that, you add more of a feminine style to this masculine haircut, and most men do not like that. And you'll see in the haircuts that I'm going to do in the next section how I avoid rounding into the scalp and almost peaking it, if you will. Men do not like that. I had a client yesterday who specified that's why he left his last barber and came to see me, and he left completely satisfied that I was able to give him the shape he desired for his haircut. And it was awesome. He had a Morrissey style quiff. It was a beautiful haircut. Alright guys, so another big difference between a barber's license and a cosmetologist license is going to be that the cosmetologists are licensed to do makeup and nails, and a barber is trained to do straight edge work. That is straight edge razor shaving, little designs, lineups, things like that. So our license covers that, and the cosmetologist does not, and that is a barber's biggest argument, is that we went to barber school and we can use a straight razor and you cannot. And as much as I love the fire and I love the hustle and I love that, I kind of disagree. If a cosmetologist can do a skin fade, can do any haircut that I can do and keep up and stay apart in the barbershop, and that cosmetologist wants to be a barber, they can be a barber. They can call themselves a barber. If they work in a barbershop and they keep up with barbers, they're a barber. And that's just frankly that. The licenses used to not be separated back in the day. There used to be no licenses. And if you cut men's hair, you were a barber, and if you cut women's hair, you were a cosmetologist. Now people are doing both. So who am I to judge? Who are you to judge? If they're doing men's haircuts in a barbershop, they're a barber, and that's just that. That's my opinion on that topic. The next topic, we're gonna move into the art of fading. And I'm gonna go over some great haircuts that are super popular today and super classic and will stay in style. But there are also haircuts that every barber needs to know before walking into a barbershop. See you soon.